guys. I think we're coming in. I think it's real, folks. Start game. What is going on, man? It is tournament day, folks. Biggest stream of the week. I am pretty pumped up. I have 2 more cups of coffee. We're going to plan them accordingly. Happy birthday, Cammy. How you doing? Hello. Hello. Did you literally change your name, Cammy, because it's your birthday? Well, happy birthday. What a nice thing to come into. My opponent is hating his life because I'm playing a King's Indian attack. He doesn't get exactly what he wants. He doesn't get to attack D4 because I'm going to be attacking over here. He can have D4, guys. He can have it. You know why? I'm going to play C3 and he can't have it. Now you can't put a knight on D4. Good strategy, guys. Good strategy here at Charlie Sardo Gaming, man. We have to do I have any life-changing events this weekend? I think not. What's up, Willie? How you doing? So because of that, I think this weekend we got to do our Twitch celebration stream. I promised Twitch. I promised you guys. 500 followers, special Twitch celebration stream. Thank you. I have to wait a while to change it back again, but the birthday was yesterday. Hey, you know what? It's your birthday month. It's your birthday month. The birthday month thing, I think, works better when your birthday is toward the end of the month. Then you kind of build up to it. Your birthday is kind of toward the beginning of the month. You know what? Are you a girl or a boy? I don't know why. I feel like girls do the birthday month thing more than guys do. Am I right? Is that, what's the word? Did I just get canceled? I feel like girls do the birthday month thing, and I'm fine with it. Yeah, it's your birthday month, man. Let's celebrate it all freaking month. I don't even care. If you're not a girl, but you still want to do birthday month, does that, it's whatevs. It's whatevs. It's just something I noticed. Daniel Abbott, for like Sean Big Screen Barnard became a supporter, guys. Off stream, check this out. Sean Big Screen Barnhart, dude. He is such a great part of our community. Your boy also have been following you on Facebook for a few years. Okay. Cool. Do I know you from Facebook? What's up, Charlie? Really? Where what? What did I say? My opponent, you know what he's doing? He's coming to the stream, guys. 1,000,000,000%. He took a lot of time to come up with this move. So he's coming to the stream. Because we are connected to Twitch. Are you watching the stream? Gold chains. 1623. He's very strong chess player, guys. 16. Play C5. What? Okay. Just develop your pieces. Really where. I don't know what really. The girls do birthday months. Oh, I feel like you've never heard people say like, it's my birthday month. Have you heard that? He didn't say it. I did, but I'm saying it's a thing. It's a thing. The birthday month is a thing. And I feel like I more often hear females celebrate birthday months more than males. Dakota, how you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, dude. Dude, you got a great picture, man. You got a great picture with somebody you love, Dakota. That's a great picture, dude. How you been? I hope everything's good. You've never heard of birthday months. Yeah. People sometimes will say, like, it's my birthday month. But you know what? It's kind of fun. Like, you got a girlfriend. Her birthday's next weekend. You take her out to dinner tonight. It's like, hey, it's your birthday month. Like, you celebrate it all month kind of thing. It's kind of big and over the top, yet fun and celebratory for somebody that you love. Yeah. Cammy, do I know your name from your Facebook followage, or do you not want to say it? You heard of birthday week? Top's birthday week. Dude, you guys, really? You're telling me I'm getting clowned by all these ladies in my life? They're the only ladies in the history of months who call it birthday month. Your birthday was, by the way, 6th of February, and it is my birthday month. There you go, Willie. Happy birthday month. Happy birthday month, man. Guys, what's this guy doing? Do you think he's watching a stream, guys? Gold chains. I like the name Gold Chains. Can we open them in a new window? I can't. You should be able to look at someone. Oh, I can kind of just Joined August 6, 2011. This guy is legit, man. This guy's like me, dude. This guy's 15 years. Dude, 15 years. Dude, I just recently made a short that went freaking pretty viral. On what I get for 15 years of on chess.com, which pretty much nothing. Dakota Comstock says, so it's been 3 years. I'm happy birthday, Cammy. But oh, so that's you, Dakota. Cool. You don't have the right birthday on Facebook. Got you, Dakota. Happy birthday, man. Okay, I was gonna say, if you don't want me to say your name on Twitch, go on Facebook real quick and say hi, so I'll know who you are, because I totally remember you. How old is that picture? Is that little one like freaking... Is that little one riding motorcycles yet? Is that little one going hunting? How old is that picture? Little one's definitely running circles around you. Definitely. Is that your baby? Is that a grandbaby? Man, it's a great picture, dude. Daniel Abbott. Okay, Daniel Abbott, then tell us when your birthday is and we're going to celebrate the whole month for you, okay? Oh, it's fine. And he's 66 years old now. Yeah, a little bit bigger. Cool, dude. I love it. I'm telling you, guys, Facebook has a really nice aspect. I always complain about a lot of the... Yeah, like for instance, last stream, we were streaming and Facebook dropped me. I didn't drop a single frame. My internet was fine. My computer's fine. Twitch and 2 streams to YouTube are fine. Facebook just drops me. It's over. You can't just click it and go back live. It's done. So if you lose me on any platform, always remember I'm streaming on Facebook, Twitch, and YouTube all at the same time. Stream ever goes down, just jump on the other. You should follow me on all platforms anyway, guys. Okay, we make it Costello. Now he's going to get scared and make a move. Because he's going to be scared. Okay, now I play this. Now I'm fighting to win a piece. Oh, I should have never said that. I should have never said that. He's watching. I hear a noise outside, guys. I hear a noise outside. Your birthday's in August. Okay, we'll get you the whole month there, Daniel Abbott. August 1st begins your birthday month. Yeah, happy birthday, brother. How can follow all platform at the same time and still play chess on high level? Willie, it's not hard. You don't watch all at the same time. You don't watch all at the same time. I feel like I need to stop commenting on the moves. Just move. Just maneuver. You put the Twitch on the TV so I can watch Facebook stream on my phone. Dakota, nice, man. We are kind of past where we need, but I mean, if that works for you, Dakota, do that. I still will have people come by on Facebook and be like, yeah, man, I'm just cleaning. I'm not really watching the stream, but I just put it on so you get more viewers. Like, remember back in the day when we were trying to get established? Like, that is huge. Stream sniper. No, I don't think so. I would never accuse him of being a stream sniper. He has not done anything. But people very often fall for this. And it's like, so why am I saying it? You know what I'm saying? Because I am streaming, well, yeah, I'm on Twitch and my Twitch is connected to my chess.com. So if you go on chess.com right now and you're playing me, it says, Charlie Soto, it says Rosa Watelli is streaming. Click here to watch the stream, and then they can click and they can watch the game. They can listen to everything I say. It's built for stream snipers. Gold Chains is not a stream sniper. He's rated 1623. If he was a freaking dirty cheater, he'd be rated higher or be banned. And he's had his account since 2011. So the guy's not a cheater at all. But it just makes me feel a little bit nervous ever since that. Ever since I connected my Twitch account to my chess.com and it tells everybody that I'm streaming on chess.com. You know, Dakota says, oh no, I actually watch the stream when I tune in. Remember when you first started Elden Ring at night? Those are some of my favorite times. Dakota, you know we still do Elden Ring After Dark. We just do it on YouTube and Twitch, right? Wow, I'm in the tournament. Ashes, dude. Ashes is in. Ashes was first. I am second. Guys, get in the tournament. It's in the pinned comment how to get in the tournament. It's very, very simple, guys. There should be a thing called... Let me see if this works. I just made this. I just made... Oh, and I gotta turn the old the bot on for Facebook. Hey! There we go, guys. You wanted to be the only one. You would have won by default. Ashes, you would have won by default, brother. That would be a horrible way to win. You really want to win by default? I mean, when we have a world championship, sometimes I'll do like an under 200. I'll do an under 200. Category. And very rarely is there anyone rated under 200. Hey! Dude, now that's what I'm talking about. Kanwar Nadim. First subscriber of the day, growing the community. Be like Kanwar Nadim. Kanwar Nadim is now the coolest person on the list up here. Well, next to Sean Big Screen Barnhart. Whoa, he's playing weakening moves, guys. You absolutely love to see that. So then, I think taking is the move. I probably have takes, queen check, king moves knight g5. Work. I should... Dude, this is a 15-minute game. I spent all this time doing a good opening, and yet... Oh, no. I thought I was going to have knight g5. Oh, I could do this and then take the pawn. That's free. Guys, never forget the words. A pawn is a pawn. Or like Bobby Fischer said, a knight is a knight. He didn't actually say that. Someone said that to him. Does anyone know the story? A knight is a knight. Coda says, oh, today was a lucky day. I guess I never get the Twitch notifications for some reason, but today they let me know. Elden Ring After Dark, for sure. Okay, now he wants to trade down. We definitely take here. Oh, he's attacking my pawnster, though. Do we kick? Knight takes knight there. F5. I could play back. Takes. Bishop takes. Push. Pawn takes. Pawn takes. Takes. Bishop takes. Knight f3. And then d4. I think we are... Yeah, this is great. Takes, knight takes, queen takes, queen, rook takes. That's the first line I saw. And then my pawn's in trouble, guys. Wait, maybe not. Because then I play d4. His knight can't come into d3 and get my bishop. But I just... I'm up a pawn. My queen is better. How do I get my... Play this now? Like I said, knight b6. Knight b6. Queen b3, I feel like is kind of running kind of far. This should be okay. No, this should be okay. Did I like this one? Oh, yeah. So you will get a coffee can, brother. Oh, my God. Thank you. You're welcome, man. Thank you for subscribing, dude. Okay, now he takes... Yeah, now we take this. With ideas. Now we're going to trade queens. We get the best knight on the board. It's okay. He has a second best knight on the board. He can have a second best knight on the board, guys. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. The knight comes. Great. We looked at it. Do we counter attack? No, he's attacking. He wants to trade. Great. What I'm doing here, if you guys want to talk about good pieces, bad pieces, this knight is in the way of my bishop. It does nothing in the game. And when I come here, it makes it better. It opens my bishop, and it challenges his best piece. So therefore, making it a good move. He plays rook over to defend ding. He must defend ding, guys. Do we attack? He has knight takes, and then he can mess my pawns up. We definitely want to connect. Ooh, do I hit the bishop? I do, because there's free wood. I think we go here. Because I get this and this. As a matter of fact, where does this go? If it comes here, we love that. Takes, rook takes, bishop pins. Push, we just rip and bring a rook. All is forgiven. We will get a coffee cam after this for sure. We need to make coffee. There are no queens on the board. You can fork queen and rook. Okay, what did he do, guys? He's using his brain and his mind. Brings the knight. I can play c4. I can win another pawn. He threatens nothing. Okay, I can't exactly win the pawn, but we're fine with this because we're on the pawn. Free move. Free move. Infiltration squares. Covered. Right. Can I push and then just take that pawn? Can I just play bishop and take that pawn with the bishop? No, the knight covers. So if I push, he can actually take. So we're not getting the pawn yet, but the bishops are working. What do we do? Bring the amigos rook. If I start doing this, see, he can come. He can full kick drum maneuver. Here, he can come here. Let's just bring a rook. Just bring a rook. You can have bishop g4 then. This would kick the bishop and blockade. What about a blockade? Here's a maneuver, guys, too. For real. You want a blockade with a knight. I'm not cheating. I'm not looking. I'm showing you guys. I'm showing you guys. See that, old man? Wait for it. I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating. One of these diagrams shows you the knight blockading. I'm not looking at it, guys. I'm not looking. That's not cheating. So what am I up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm up one pawn and the bishop pair and massive activity and pawn structure. So just bring a rook. He's going to be able to develop either way. there are improvement squares. Yeah, bring the rook. It can't be wrong. Guys, 5 million Elvis fans can't be wrong. Is it wrong? I'm just trying to see if there's something better. Can I do something with tempo? Can I attack something? Rook, bishop. I might play f3. If he goes back, we could probably just let it all sit. We could probably let it all sit. What about this move? It seems too slow, but I don't like letting him control the square. I don't. Do you guys? F4 now. Pawn takes, just F4, guys. Because of that rook. F4. F4. F4, H6. Wins a piece. You see that? F4 is a blunder, guys. H6. Oh my God, it felt so good. Yeah, we said that doesn't work either. I could come back here and attack that pawn. We're gonna do that when we need to. We're gonna keep that in our back pocket. Keeping the bishop out, guys. Keeping the bishop out. Sleepaway camp, maybe that's a good move. It's rapid, by the way. Is this tournament? No, tournament starts in 37 minutes, guys. The link is pinned in the comment. Hi from South Africa. Welcome. Your flag looks like Arc Raiders. Jason. Hi from Iran. Oh my God, you guys are from all over the world. Thank you, man. Okay, that's probably not an altogether bad square. Bad square. Very good, class. Now. Still doesn't work. So bring. Bring. It's rapid, guys. The tournament is 10 plus 5, guys. 10 minutes is too fast. 10 minute plus 5 is too fast, but it's better than 10 minute. Today was a lucky day. I guess I never get the Twitch. Oh, notification. Okay, you got it now. Good. Guys, if you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. We play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring and other games after dark. I'm thinking if you like any two of those, that's probably a maneuver. It's probably a maneuver. Right now, do we kick this way? Do we... This improves the position. He does get knight b5 out of the deal, though. Can I do this now? He'll push by. Then I push. He has a passer, but it's so easily attacked. Even with my king. I like the open air market of the bishops. I'm gonna come here. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. We'll look at the game afterwards, Sleepaway Camp. We'll look at the game afterwards. Sleepaway Camp is asking about why not C4 in that position. There was a position where I could have played C4, I remember. It might have been viable. We'll look at it and see. The computer does not lie. I am still up a minute on the clock. Gold Change, you are a worthy opponent. You're playing a very good game. Gold Change, you should play our tournament today. You say, who am I talking to? I'm talking to the guy that I'm playing right now. He's probably watching. He is not making moves like he's watching. Right? I looked at this move. Then I saw this. And I think I'm winning material, right? The knight's trapped. Is it trapped? I should have looked harder, guys. I really should have looked harder. Why won't I look harder? Sometimes I'm dumb. I have to be careful for opposite colored bishops. Be afraid, be very afraid of opposite colored bishops. This is not bad for me, but I'm already seeing moves I didn't see, and that's why I should have not moved so fast. I'm up a minute on the clock. I could have spent 20 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. I looked at this line. I'm okay. I'm complete. Oh my God! It's not trapped. He's listening for sure. Yeah, no, he's listening for sure. It's not trapped, guys. He had a counterattack. He had counterattack, guys. Rook E6 is the only move he has. He has Rook E6. But, same idea. I was going to come here. I was going to come here, but now on Bishop C5, B6, Bishop D5. This is crazy. See, this is very tricky. He just fell apart, man. The knight was not trapped. I'm not saying he was stream sniping, but didn't I say the knight was trapped? And then with the delay, it's possible. But no, Gold Chains would never do that, guys. Definitely not sniping. He just dropped a piece. Don't understand why. Just Rook E6. We're going to look at this game real quick, guys, because our dear friend Sleepaway Camp 3 on Twitch asked the great question, why not C4 in that position? Guys, I played 92.7% accuracy. I tend to do that. My opponent played 83.8. That's a good game. Big for you. Win for you. Nicely done. First thing we do, guys, we go to the Charlie Sardo Gaming exclusive. Squiggler Cam. This is Clifford the Big Red Arrow, guys. He tells all. We were completely equal. And then I got a winning advantage. Then I had an even more winning advantage. You know what I had right here? A miss. Or I played a bad move. And it just came down to winning, not crushing. And then I was pretty much crushing right here. But over here, the mountaintop is so high, guys, you can't even see it. It's like Mount Everest. You see the whole mountain, and then it's just covered in clouds. That's covered in clouds, folks. Mount freaking Everest over here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Let's take a look at the review, see what happened in this game. My cam is in the way. Let's get it over. There were no brilliance, guys. Get it out of your head. I had two great moves. He had none. Let's get down here. No misses, no blunders. I played like a 2300. He played like a 2050. I told you he played a good game. You guys didn't believe me. Here we go. We're going to go to the opening book, guys. Starting for the opening book, and we're going to look for that C4 maneuver. This is all opening. Why isn't it? Why isn't it? Game review. It wasn't acting like it's a game review. Start review. Okay, now if I go... Okay, we'll see you in that book first. It's almost always him. That's it. That's not a good move. Because of the ideas I was talking about. Now he has to move the bishop twice to develop. Bishop E7 is probably just better. Queen C7 maybe first. That way when you do this, there's no way the fork is there. I don't know. Let's see what the opening moves are, guys. Explorer. Bishop e7. 3,600 people play Bishop e7. 95 people played Bishop d6. Bishop d7 is better. Bishop d6 is not a good move. Castles is by far the best move. Queen e2, 4 people. Queen e2, I didn't necessarily like this. Queen e2 here, if takes, then he's going to push here. And he has pressure on the c-file, down the half-open c-file. Structurally, to me, that's bad chess. So I didn't play Queen e2. I castled instead. Like the massive amounts of people, like Skinny Puppy. And, guys, don't laugh. Skinny Puppy's 2279. Castles. We're still in the book. Rook e1 is the number one move. Guess what I played? How do you know? I just know, guys. Everyone plays their bad move. I still think you did good that game. We're going to find out, man. Okay. Dude, this is actually the book move. This is the most common move in this position. And the most common move in this position is c3. By far. Dude, I'm telling you, man. I got it down. Okay, this move here... We are basically no longer in book. There is one game. Giuseppe Valenti played this. He's 2280, guys. Let's see what Stockfish says. It hates it. Stockfish wants 8-6, Rook b8, a5 to stop malarkey, a6, and Queen e7 looking at my rook. Interesting. He comes back. ED5. Wait, no. Oh, wait. No, we're good. Queen e2, what was better? It likes ED5 now better. First ED5, ED5, Knight F1, which is exactly what I would have played. And I'm just slightly better. He's a little cramped. But I played Queen e2 first. Now, he should play Rook e8. No, not really. I would think he would, like, you know, start attacking stuff. Or looking at my work. That's a blunder. Now I get a blue move. Takes. I get a blue move. I win a pawn. Knight comes. I thought a lot right here, if you guys remember. Join the tournament, folks. It's in the pinned comment. It's an open tournament. All levels welcome. You'll get to play me. And then tomorrow would be here tomorrow for sure, too, because tomorrow we do... I play viewers 3-minute chess. Kind of a noob question, but why is Knight d2 better than Knight c3 in this opening? Parade. It has to do with the plan of not trying to fight for this square, but of... It has to do with bringing the knight to f1. It has to do with castling, playing rook e1, and then playing knight f1. Sometimes you play knight e3 into this square. Sometimes you'll end up playing this move, and the knight will come to g3. It's a King's Indian attack. For supplemental viewing, go to game 1, the Sherwin game of my 60 memorable games by Bobby Fischer. And he plays a King's Indian attack. Just because he crushes Sherwin doesn't mean you're going to win every game with it, okay? Just same way in game 2 with freaking Slay the Dragon against Larson. You know, just because he destroys Larson's Sicilian Dragon doesn't mean you're going to do it too. But sack, mate. Okay, knight back. Queen e2. It wanted me to take, but this is a blunder, and he lets me get the pawn. Okay, now here is where I spent a lot of time. What did I play? Excellent. It wants knight c... Ooh, knight c4 is awesome. I didn't consider it. What if knight takes? Serious. Wow. And it's +2 because I'm up a pawn, but what? That is interesting, man. I would think his knight would just come, and then my queen... Oh, no, then we trade. And then play this or something, and just keep playing chess, but I'm up a pawn, and I have 4 to 3, and once I push this, my majority, I think, is rolling, guys. I think. I'm not sure. I don't know all the rules. Okay. But this is not bad. Knight takes his best. That was okay. It wanted A4. Wow. A4. Why? Just to kick the knight? Yeah, thanks, man. I might start playing the King's Indian Attack. Parade, it is... I'll tell you something else about the King's Indian Attack. In the Italian game, E4, E5, Knight F3, Knight C6, Bishop C4, Bishop C5, C3, Knight F6, D3, castles, whatever. Let's say, the knight comes here. Look at this position. The only difference from this and the other position is my bishop is on G2. Only difference. And you know what the plan for white is? Rook E1, Knight F1, Knight G3, Knight F5. Or you can come to E3 and look at this square too. Same plan. I saw a game. I think Firouzja did it. He probably looked it up on a computer where he did something like here before he castled. And he played Knight F1 before he castled. Because it takes castles and Rook E1 before you can play Knight F1. Right? So what this crazy line, instead of castling and whatever, here, you got castles and Rook E1 before you can play Knight F1. But, and I'd never seen it before and I never saw it again. It's probably not good. But maybe it's an old line or something. I don't know. I just never see it anymore. He played Knight F1 here. Almost exactly the same position. The idea is before castling and playing Rook E1, Knight F1, and then Knight G3. He played Knight F1 first. And so now the knight is on G3 2 moves earlier. But I'm not castled and I have Rook E1 in yet, right? I never know what came of that game either. I should look that up. But you see how it's the same. That's why Knight D2. And you know why in the Italian, the reason they don't play Knight C3. This is so basic opening principles right here, man. Develop your knights. But at the high, and we could probably do this all day long and play normal chess. At the highest level, I think they say that white doesn't get anything. It equalizes better. At our level, it doesn't freaking matter. But if you play these moves and you go to the Explorer, Wesley So versus Jeffrey Zhang, Hans Niemann versus Artemiev, John Christoph Duda versus Mavejarov, Magnus Carlsen versus Hikaru Nakamura, you get to play like Magnus. And then when you're watching a chess tournament and you see Magnus playing, you're like, I think he plays C. I think C3 is the move right here. I remember studying this. You know what I'm saying? It's fun. It's fun. You turn notifications to, oh, wait, so there's no way I miss another stream. That's awesome. I'll tell you this, Dakota. Do you have notifications? There should be, I don't think I can. If you go to my Facebook, Charlie Sardo Gaming, you'll see a broadcast channel. It says live alert channel. You click on that, you join it. Every time I go live, any platform, you get a message right here. Anytime. Hey, I just took a gig, guys, for April 11th. It's kind of far away. It's kind of a big deal gig. It's kind of a festivalist crawfish type thing. It's not the big crawfish festival that they have not real far from here. But it is a crawfish cook-off weekend music festival all weekend thing. Okay, let me get back to my game so we can see if C4 was the move for a sleepaway camp. Like, was it here? Because you couldn't have been anywhere else. I can't play c4 because it drops my knight. I played here. Okay, here's c4, but he can come here. Right? Oh, this is a blunder. I'm supposed to just take. Because I removed the defender? Why? Oh, I just went a pawn. Knight takes, knight takes. Bishop f4. Now the rooks are connected. Rook a8 unpinning. And then just takes, and takes. Now I'm up 2 pawns. I have the bishop pair. Look at his poor queenside, guys. Womp womp. This bishop can't move because I will take this. Or he might be able to get the rook over though, and then get this, right? So I gotta be careful. But I'm on the knight right now, so he has to move the knight, and then you just bring a rook and say what's up. And say I'm up 2 pawns. I got the bishop pair, and you're not developed. This is winning. It's +5. It's +5. So good game. Yeah. So I don't know where. Like here, c4. He just plays knight b4. c4. Oh, I'm still on a bishop though. It's still winning. It's actually still winning. His best move is bishop a5 attacking the rook. Then it wants to start taking. But see, this knight's hanging too. fe5. Rook e5. Oh, gets the rook out. Yeah. He's... If that's what you... If c4 right here... c4... Oh, he can't play knight b4 because this is hanging. Okay. Yeah, so c4 I think was... I think it had to be what you're talking about. And I think it works. Yep. There's no other good spot, I don't think. No. Oh my god. It wanted me to play bishop a7. Rook a8. Bishop b6. Back on the knight. Rook a c8. And now take this. Nope. Because if I come here, he can do this. And make trades. And he just blundered. So here's where I said the knight's trapped. But the knight is not trapped. It feels trapped. But he has rook e6. Not losing the knight. Counterattack. Now I attack and the knight's still under attack though is a problem. No, it's not. Because I'm not attacking it anymore. I might be able to get it this way. No, because then he comes here. Rook b, e8. Holding on for dear life. And then we take here and we're on this. This is too much, guys. It's just crushing. It's crushing. Everything crushes. Okay, let's check out the tournament, folks. We'll see who is in Chiller's tournament. We're going to refresh this. Get in the... 16 minutes? How long ago did it tell me that? Oh, man, we got a good one, guys. We got Eco Voyager at 1623. Ashes on to Dust at 1425. You Can't See Me. He's one of us guys. Been around forever. 1213. I Come Back Better. Love this guy. He's new, and he comes back better. Kisa 2023 at 989, and Aziz is back at 746. Guys, all levels welcome. If you're like, I'm not good enough to play a tournament, I'm only rated 400. It's an open tournament. If Disguised Teriyaki shows up and he's 2300, I'm only 1600. He's gonna crush me. And I'm gonna play him like a lion. And I'm gonna crush him in front of everybody. You gotta fight till the death, folks, in chess especially. Don't be scared. It's just a game. It's how you get better. You want to play higher rated players. The more you do of what you're doing, the more you'll have of what you have. You keep playing 400 rated players, then you'll be rated 400. If you're rated 400, but you always play 600 rated players, you're going to lose a lot more games, but you're going to get sharp and you're going to get better. So don't be afraid if you're lower rated to get in the tournament. Gregory Ferguson is in. You love it. We, I think, should have more 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 rated players. I think you guys are holding out. Don't look at it and say you can't win. I got news for you. A lot of people can't win this tournament. Mathematically, they're just not high enough rated. It's okay. It's okay. I am the highest rated person in the tournament right now. I almost never win the tournament. Okay, I won it 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks in a row a while back, but doesn't happen all the time. Ashley says, always underestimate my opponents because I usually play with low time, so move faster. You're the highest rated here, though. I am, which is rare. We're not done yet. Does that mean you won't be getting anything out of this? Absolutely not. When I play against a lower rated player, I don't always play the best move. I look at the game afterwards, even if I win easily. I look at the game afterwards and say, what dumb moves did you make and why? Because I did. Because unless you play 100% accuracy every game, then you can learn from every game. Daniel Abbott says, super strong players. I have to walk with a Giev's girlfriend, so I can't this time, sadly. Daniel Abbott, what a beautiful life. Daniel Abbott, sadly, instead of hanging out with a bunch of sweaty chess players, has to walk with his girlfriend. Are you doing a long walk on the beach? You gonna rub it in? You guys gonna stop at Starbucks and get a latte, maybe? Huh? Why you gotta rub it in, bro? Yeah, well, I just won $5 million, and I'm never gonna come back here again. My life is good. I get to go on walks with my girlfriend sometimes. But right now I have to play chess with a bunch of sweaty chess players. And you know what? I'm all about it, folks. Don't clip that. That was weird. It is not unrated. How does one join these private tournaments? They're not private. It's chess.com. Here's what you do. You go to chess.com. Do you have a chess.com account? First off, you have to have a chess.com account. Okay, let me see if this will work. Tourney or tournament. The bot should tell you. You're not sweaty, you're fixing to be. Send 100 for 2 jewels. Ashes, thank you for the hype, dude. Can we 1v1? Tomorrow we 1v1, my friend. Or play the tournament. And 1v1 me when you get matched against me. How much time we have? 12 minutes? Maybe I'm calling you guys sweaty because, what do they call that? Displacement? What do they call that? When you're mad at yourself, so you get mad at somebody else instead? Or like when you're lying, so you accuse the other person of lying? Displacement? You displace the anger? Maybe I'm sweating, so I'm saying you guys are sweating. Okay, you guys are right. I put the AC on. There we go. I just solved my mental problems. Right here in front of the entire community, folks. You turn the notifications to always. Okay, got you. You were nervous playing a 1145 rated player and he missed Scholar's mate with knight and queen and I won on the 10th move. Jason, it happens. Projection? Yeah, projection is it's a technique. But it's not, I don't think that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, but no, I think I'm talking displacement, I think is the thing. I'm talking about where like you're angry at yourself and therefore you get angry at other people. I think. How do I join on mobile? You go, okay, I haven't done this in a long time, but I'm going to try and tell you keywords. Tournament. These are the old instructions, and they probably will work. Do you have a browser on your mobile? Or do you already have chess.com, right? You already have chess.com. So go to chess.com. And you go, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go over here to the drop downs, and I'm going to go to community. And then I'm going to go to clubs. All right? Community and then clubs. Then I'm going to search for chess chillers. All 2 words. Although my chess chillers is already there. You see it? That's chess chillers. And then you click that club and you just say join. It's free. There's no obligation. It's just a club on chess.com. It's a group. It's like a Facebook group or whatever. It's free. You join Chess Chillers. Once you're in Chess Chillers, then you can join our tournament. Yep, you can join it through the link in the description. the pinned link, or you just go to Chess Chillers and you will see the tournament. There'll be a big green join button. Current event right here. Yeah, view. I'm viewing the current event. And I'm at the tournament. Here's the list. Your name will be added. You play 5 games no matter what. It's a Swiss tournament. First round starts in 10 minutes at 4 o'clock my time. Your game might be done in 6 minutes. The longest game might go 10 minutes. You have to wait until everyone's game ends. And when the last game ends, round 2 starts. We all start at the same time. So if you've never played a tournament before, that's how it works. I highly recommend it. Don't be afraid. If you don't know how to play a tournament, do it anyway. It's just clicking and joining, and you're going to have fun. If it doesn't work, womp womp. Play again next week. You're going to get better. You're not going to screw anything up. You're not going to screw anything up. You can't join the tournament. It says that it's reserved to club members. Exactly. There we go. Radera. Yeah. Join Chess Chillers. Go to community or social. You go to community and you go to clubs, and then in the little magnifying glass type chess, CHESS space chillers. Chess Chillers. You'll see my big dumb face. Hey! Click on join. It's free. And then you're in. Then you can join. You can join. Of course you can. Can I show you the club again? Oh, CNAC, you're not the guy that's like insanely underrated, right? Everyone can join. If you're like, I know that the other guy kept talking about his ratings and stuff. I didn't want to talk about him. If you also are like, 1,000 points underrated, don't join. Don't join. It's a rated tournament. Go play the pool. Go play the pool. Just play rapid. Get your chess. Don't play with the Smurf account. It's not fun. It doesn't do anything. I don't like it. But of course you can join. Everyone can join. This is open tournament. Welcome to all levels. Yeah. Can you show the club again, please? Yeah, you can't scroll up, brother. It's right there. It was like one comment above. It's one comment above. Bang. Chess Chillers. Chess Chillers, my friend. You're going to get it. And I'll tell you this. If you can't get in the tournament, try. And if you don't get it now, you'll get it next week. Oh, I didn't get to play. Guys, this is tournament number 245 weekly. We've been doing this forever. We've been doing this for 5 years. And we're going to keep doing it next week and for the next 5 years. This is a community. You want to get involved. Hey, Dopa at 1623. Who else we got? Ken Baliwal 13. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm not sure if I should say that word. We're going to call that guy sister. Guys, it's going to be a great tournament, man. It's going to be a great tournament. It's a lot of fun. Can't find the club on mobile. You know why? If you read those instructions, what does it say? Do this in a browser on mobile. That's what they used to say. That was the only way they could get it. But I think okay, let's say I want to join Hikaru Nakamura's club on chess.com. Okay, I'm going to go to chess.com, right? No, thank you for the lesson. Play, puzzles, learn, watch. I'm going to click more at the bottom. Insights, vision, solo chess, events, leaderboard, articles, forums, clubs. How do you not see that? Just scroll down, dude. Clubs. See clubs? Then, okay, so what I did was I clicked the little more thing. Whoa, whoa. See more? The little bars. Click more. Scroll down and see clubs. Click clubs. Now you're stuck. Now you have to join. You see the little search clubs? You click the search clubs and you type chess, 2 words, space, chillers. Whoa, you gotta spell it right though. ILLERS, and say done. Oh my God, you never know what showed up. That's us. Click on it and join it. It's not hard. Yeah, you're in now. I have a feeling I'm coming maybe 6th or 7th on your screen and how to find it. Wow, so rude. Who's being rude? CNAC. Should be all good. Cool, so we're in. Is CNAC in? Is CNAC in? Isn't your name CNAC in the tournament though? CNAC, I don't see you. Or you could just click the link in the description. Well, the link in the description... Oh, here's another way to do it. Here's another way to do it. But I got to make coffee. Okay, wait. Community? I'm going to give you a link to join Chess Chillers first. This will really be spoon feeding you, brother. This is going to help you. Invite. Copy link. I got you now, brother. Easy mode. Easy mode. This is your first step. Join Chess Chillers. Now you have no excuse. And then you do that first to join Chess Chillers. Once you're in Chess Chillers, then you just go to clubs because you're in the club already. You got to be able to go to more and then scroll down and see clubs. And you'll see your Chess Chillers club. Go to the club and you will see the tournament. And there you have it. It's that simple, folks. And if you can't figure out now, dude, let me tell you something, man. I had one person that was really not good with computers. And it took them probably 3 weeks before they even figured out how to send me a challenge. And if that person came in right now and I said, send me a challenge, boom, I'd have it in an instant. And you probably are good with computers. We learn, we figure it out. If you don't get to play today, it's no big deal. You play next week. Welcome to the freaking stream, guys. Tournament starts. We need coffee. Welcome to the coffee cam. All right, here's the most important thing, guys. Don't go in and out of the chess.com app on your phone, back and forth to the stream. You will miss your game. You have to be sure you're active on chess.com. Guys, Because chess.com will mark you inactive. If you just let your app sit there for 10 minutes, it won't give you a game. Like, let me see. Did anyone get it? Dude, everyone got paired? Everyone got paired? No. Zlatan Sinak got a... what do you call it? A bye. He got a bye. 523 rating. Okay, this is my game. Good luck, Khan. Khan disconnected. No, why, Khan? Khan, get your board. Good connection, low lag. Khan. Khan, I want to play you. Not like this. Not like this. We need hype on Facebook. If you're there, you haven't liked, you haven't commented, you haven't shared. If you can share. When I say that, because some people are like, dude, I do a lot of business on my phone and like on my Facebook, and I just can't share every week. It's like every stream. It's like, I get it. I get it. If you can share, share, guys. Hey, Con, you made it back, brother. Welcome back. Amy, I hope I get you in the first match. You didn't, but maybe you will. Maybe you will. Oh, no. Good luck. Kitchen needs some TLC organization. I have OCD. You are 1,000,000% correct. Knight C6. We played knight F3 maneuver. You know why? It prepares the castle. That's why. That's all you need to know, folks. You want to play like a grandmaster. Bishop C5. We play C3. Is grandmaster move. Guaranteed. Hans Niemann, Fabiano Caruana, Magnus Carlsen. They all play that move. In that exact position. Guaranteed. Michelle, how you doing? Oh, no. Or Michael. That's Michael. What happened, Michael? Knight F6. Now we have to defend, so we play this. Yeah, man. Ooh, the Nightbot is finally answering my stuff. The Nightbot is not very fast. Is only my... He castles, guys. What do we do? I'm going to castle. I'm going to make a huge Castello. Abbott's going to be happy. He's going to be proud. Yeah, man. Oh, he plays a maneuver, guys. He plays a maneuver. Is it a trap? It looks like a free pawn. It's an E-pawn. Guys, I have to take it. I have no choice. I mean, it could be a trap. Maybe he watched a video called Traps in the Italian. I'm dead serious. It could happen. But, okay. Right. Hits my bishop. My knight is rocking it. So we're going to go here. Now we're going to kind of change the plan because the knight is just so rocking it, right? This comes with tempo. I can't do this idea anymore. Or do we just continue developing, guys? Is this the move? On knight BD2, he has knight F4 hitting. No, he's not hitting this. Knight BD2, knight attacks my bishop and the pawn. He could probably do stuff. This is probably the move. Is that bad? I don't know. He just, dude, instantaneous H6. He's like, not doing it, not doing it. takes, queen takes, bishop takes, messes up the pawns. Feels pretty good. Takes, queen takes, bishop takes. He can't play queen takes because the bishop, he has to take here. Then I come back, defended. If queen g5, I have ideas. If here and he attacks it, I can come here. My knight will have good squares to come to. I think I do it, guys. Wait. Takes... I have to look at something else. Takes, queen takes. Oh, there could be stuff here with bishop h6, g8, queen f3. Why do I feel like I need a sack? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna waste all my time too. This, I mean, if I just come back, he's going to weaken his king. Yeah, this is fine. I don't know why it takes me so long to play such a simple move. Well, you guys know what I was looking at. I was looking at some stuff. You're not going by your rules. Develop all pieces and your rooks first. Yeah, you're not wrong, man. You're not wrong. What just happened? Greek resub for 8 months. Greek, thank you, man. But wait a minute. No. My rules are, it is your job in the opening to develop your pieces effectively. And castle. While I'm developing my pieces effectively, if somebody gives you a free pawn, you take it. Especially an e-pawn. You know what I'm saying? So my rule is not don't take free pawns. My rule's never been don't take free pawns. Never said that. Never said don't take free pawns. It depends. You have to decide whether you want to take the free pawn or not. But this is not anti-opening principles. This is ridiculously huge. I'm clearly better. He has no... and then I developed a piece. So I did move the same piece twice. It's attacked. He's going to take it. Right? So I have to save it. Okay, then. He's on this. I think we defend it. So yeah. You're very inaccurate when you say I'm not following my own rules, because that's not true. That's not true. You have to save your own pieces. I moved my bishop twice because I had to save it. That's part of opening principles. And free pawns, that's opening principles. You take them. Takes. Queen here. You can play c6. Do I play queen here now? Oh, he's on my rook. I guess we do this. I gotta move. Yeah. The tournament is rated. This tournament is rated. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to shut the chat off now, guys, because I don't want to see any moves that could affect me that I can't play. Play is back. I think we come here. I want to sack so bad, but I think we come here. or I bring a rook, or I bring a knight. They're all good moves. This is no longer pinned. I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to reinforce the knight, guys. I'm getting low on time. Greek, thank you so much for... Guys, Greek used its prime for 8 months. That's probably not an altogether bad move. I feel like this could be a maneuver. This could be a maneuver. The knight can't come. Can I do this? No. I could bring the bishop back. Because nothing's going to happen right here. Takes, and knight e4 could be pretty good, but then he just takes. I think I'm going to do this, and I'm just going to own the e5 square, guys. Oh, he has knight f4, though. But it doesn't do anything. Oh, man. Guys, he's way up on the clock now. He plays knight f4. On cue, guys. Okay. Do we hit the queen? And then get the discovery? Because I have this too. I feel like this is better than bishop. This was a huge blunder. It wasn't a good move. It was not made of wood. I think literally right before it happened, I said he has knight f4. So I hope he's not listening because you're listening to blunders. Check, king moves, takes. Check, king moves. Oh my god. Check. Then I have this check. But it... Oh my god, then I have a... Is there a peace machine here? Can a guy get a peace machine? Bishop check. King here. Oh, I don't have mate. I gotta take. Or knight hits the queen. The queen has 1 square. No, it has 2 squares. Or 3. And then I can do like a double check. This must be it. Oh, be careful about listening to me talk, man. Because first off, I'm not a good chess player. Just because I'm better than you. Second off, it's cheating. Not saying he is listening. But I did say a blunder, and then he played the blunder. You know what I'm saying? So just be careful, man. Because even if you're not listening for moves, you should turn the stream down when you're playing. Because if you hear me saying moves, you might get confused. Right? Now... I guess we go... Do I take here first? For that reason? Took a piece. The knight is still in the stronghold. Okay, now... Do I take check here? Or do I come... See, I think I come here. Because of the maneuver. Because I'm going to be on the queen. It's very, very heavy, guys. It's very, very heavy. Don't try this at home. Remember, guys, my opponent is rated almost 700 points lower than me. And he's playing a great game. He's playing a great game. I'll tell you one thing about this game. It's an honest game. That's a really good move. I guess we just take. Wow. Hit the knight? I need more pieces, guys. I need more wood for the fire. I think he had a better line, but everything was okay because my knight was on his queen at the end. He could have attacked my bishop. Bishop here. And he could have took, but after I took the rook, I would have been on the queen. He wouldn't have time, I think, or something. I'm not sure. I just know he's way up on time, and here I am playing on a 5-second increment with no chat. You absolutely love to see it. Guys, if you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, play chess, we play Elden Ring and other games after dark. By the way, did the guys answer me? Looking at my stockfish, guys. Oh my god, you guys caught me cheating. Busted. Oh, wait, I got messages. Oh my god. Dude, I don't have time to do this. Okay, he plays an attacking maneuver. I'm gonna play check. Or wait, do we check here? I can't. Come here. Kick the knight. That was like a really good way to confuse me and ruin my day. We may have maneuvers here, guys. There could be an actual maneuver. There could be an actual maneuver, guys. We gotta really win. Look at the. That's so cheating. It tells me the. Oh my god, my overlay. I've been caught cheating. You guys caught me looking at my stockfish, and you saw my overlay where it tells me the cheat moves. Son of a gun, I was. What's her name again? Clara? This guy's using his brain too. This guy's scary, guys. Talon, you think he's not scary? 1,000,000,000% horrifying. There's just no way to get where he wants to be. Queen, pawn takes, check, and mate doesn't work because my queen covers the square. There's just no way. He's down a rook. I'm down a rook. Am I down a piece? No, I'm up in exchange. And 2 pawns. I bet there was a better move than this, but I want to get my queen in with the check. And then start ripping stuff. Or take first. King takes, rook check, queen comes, knight blocks. Could be a lot of really interesting stuff happening here, guys. This could maybe not be an altogether bad move. Bad move, I'll just rip it. Pawn takes, queen check. Get this, be on this. He comes back. Great. Bring the queen. And then I'm going to get rid of this rook because he's dumb. This rook's dumb, guys. Say it. That rook's dumb. Very good, class. There's no way. Okay, there's no way this doesn't win. Takes and rook over. But I think I can take here. Dude, I'm so low on time. I am so low on time. See, I think sacking the rook is the move. No, now it's not. So I think we take here and get rid of this bishop. And then sack the rook and bring the other rook. You know what I'm saying? Because then we're up 4. Okay, he defends, guys. It's magical. Okay, now. Oh my god, I have to take the rook now? Thank God I'm threatening mate in 1. Not mate in 1, actually. He just wants to get there so bad, guys. You know where he wants to get. There's not enough time, dude. There's not enough time in the world. With this, okay, he attacks. All right, guys, we got time. Notice how I put everything on the dark squares. It was a good game. And I was really low on time, man. So, I mean, you know, I can't argue with the fact that you did actually really good. Here. Just chase him. I think I can just run this because his king's cut off, right? I could also attack this. Okay, I can come here. Then I'm gonna run it again. Wow. Okay. I think you could have done this and tried to create a passer. It's a good game, man. That was a really good game. I'll tell you one thing about that game. That was an honest game. I play people all the time that play unbelievably nowhere near their rating. And that was a real game. That was a real game of chess, dude. A good, honest game. You'll be next if that's all right. We're playing a tournament. Nick, this is a tournament. Is that a Samsung Galaxy? No, this is a iPhone 15. Dave Joyce says it was just a trade to get some time back. Queen H7 might have been an idea. Did I have Queen H7? I want to look at the game so bad, but we'll look at it tomorrow. Someone is playing games out of the tournament. The last round is going to end, and I think it might be C. Johnson. Is it? See, I'm just saying, if you're not playing in the tournament right now, is this Pooja and Aziz? It is. C. Johnson, you're playing a game out of the tournament. When this game ends, the next round's going to start, and you're not going to get paired. If you don't want to, that's fine. But I'm just telling you, if you want to play the tournament, when can I play? Today is our chess tournament. You can play every Wednesday. You might be able to join right now. You might be able to join right now. Join the Chess Chillers, and then you'll see join tournament. You might be able to late join, and then you can play me or some of our great community. If you want to play me specifically, your best chance to do that is tomorrow when I play viewers. Tomorrow, I go over my tournament games and play against viewers. Grabbing my water. Guys, don't play games out of the tournament and be there. Be sure chess.com knows that you're there. Like, touch your screen, do something. Be sure it knows, because it will skip you. If you just let your device sit there for 3 minutes while you're waiting for this game to end, it might mark you offline. So be sure you're active on chess.com, but not playing a game. 1 second, getting water. All right, guys. What's going on here? These pawns are very well advanced. It's insane, actually. It's insane how far these pawns are advanced. You could come. Oh, I think pushing might have been an idea. Oh, good game. Okay, guys, get your boards. Hey, Clagan's in at 2034. You love it. Clagan won his first round. I didn't see you guys. I got sister. Let me just pull a window up and see if that name means something. Okay, there you go. Prayer sister. Love it. Pooja sister, I can say your name. I don't know. It's got the word sister in it. It's got the word sister in it. I had to be careful. Okay. You can join before round 3. Okay. Oh my God, just my luck. What happened, Ashes? What happened to your life, Ashes? You had rook e8, checking king, sacking rook with free queen on c7. Rook e8, checking king. Oh, did I? I think I see it, Mark. No way. Okay, wait, what do you do? Yeah, okay, time to develop, guys. Oh, no. You're lucky, Ashes, if you get to play the 2000. Play the best you can, Ashes. Use your time. Don't rush. Don't give up before the game's over. Play the best chess you can play. And you will have a good game against a really good opponent. That's how you get better at chess. If you could only play people you could beat, you wouldn't get better at chess. You would just be a little bit better than everybody else. It's not unlucky. It's very lucky. You got lucky to play the highest rated player. I want to play the highest rated player. I can't wait. Because I want to get better at chess. Guys, Twitch, hit the follow button. We have a special stream. You see 516 followers, Twitch? We just hit that. I want to play C6 so bad, but I want to play this so bad. I played a very, very similar line to this, guys. A very similar line, stir. Oh, okay. Now, do we bite? Or do we develop? I don't know if I want this coming in for the rest of my life, but it can just come here for the rest of my life. StreamRock comes in at the perfect time, folks. Tell me you don't absolutely love to see it. Is it a blunder? You're not good, Chess. I'm just a little better than average. You're doing great. Not much, but a little, right? How you doing, man? Dude, Me and Drew and Trey are picking back up the idea for or that the Spectral Lance playthrough. Yeah. Hey, wait, what'd he do? What'd he do? He puts a knight. Oh, he plays this move. Okay. God, I feel like this almost works. This could be a move. Knight takes, bishop takes, pawn takes. So I think this is okay. It's like, it just wins pawns. I want my position to be better, and I don't feel good about it. This is not my style. This, and then bishop back. We saw this before. If I do this, he just pushes. Keeps him out of here. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I feel like my position is just weird and I don't know what to do. I guess here. I didn't know what to do, guys. I didn't know what to do. Yeah, so tonight we have Elden Ring with what we call the band. Me and Drew and Trey are at the Fire Giant Spectral Lance. We can only do one particular attack on Fire Giant. And it's severely limiting. We were not able to beat him last time. Oh, this probably is a good move. It's probably a good move. I gotta move, guys. I had to move. I didn't know what else to do. And it kind of doesn't rock it. It doesn't rock and roll. But you know what? I gotta do something. I feel like I'm not doing my plan, and it's all because of why. Because I didn't play C6, maybe. Yeah. We will see, folks. Well, at least my B pawn's protected now. Now I can do stuff. Kind of. Okay, I do have F4. It's a maneuver. Hey, man. Catching up on time. Remember, guys, this guy's rated 400 points lower than me, and he's playing great. He's playing good, man. Pooja's sister is playing well. You have a good position, you're doing fine. I have to be very careful not to blunder. I have to hope you blunder later, because you haven't blundered yet. What a great move. Just bring the last piece here. Takes. I'm just doing it, guys. I don't know what to do. Right? And then here. This is what I looked at. I don't know if it's good. Gaining a little bit of spatula. I don't know what to do. You guys know what to do? I don't know what to do, guys. I'm a little bit scared. I just don't want to lose wood because it is good. I don't want it to be very bad. I don't want it to be made of sad. I think this position is winning. Yeah, I've never been so wrong in my life. Takes. We said we're going to take. Can I do anything better? No. Just take it. I think I know what Stockfish would do. Or be thinking about doing. Dutch is a fun opening. Parade brings the rook. Here. I don't know what to do, guys. I 1,000,000,000% don't know what to do. Takes check. Okay, I can take with a rook and then take this way if I want to. Taking this way doesn't improve my bishop and it gets in the way of my rook. So I'm doing this. Although, I might still take it with the pawn. You know that? I might still take it with the pawn. Because the rook, I get the rook lift now. You know what I mean? Yep. Oh, if I take, though... If I take this way... I have some ideas. If I take this way, I don't like it. I'm taking this way. It's weird, but I'm doing it. I don't know what to do, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Brings the bishop back. Okay, he wants to come to squares. We're going to improve. It blocks my rook, though. And I can't come here. Careful, careful. Is he listening, guys? Pushes, doesn't do anything. I could come here and get rid of the bad bishop, I guess. Ah. There's a best move here. Well, well, that wasn't it. Hey, join the Live Alert channel. It just popped in Facebook. Join that Live Alert channel. You get a Live Alert every time I go live, folks. You lost. As expected. Well, if you plan on losing, you'll probably lose. Chris, how you doing? Michael, you got to just try the best you can. And the best you can usually means not being negative. That's part of getting better at chess. You know that, right? Part of you want your rating to go up? Become a better chess player. Play rested. Be healthy. Don't play distracted. Those things have nothing to do with chess. Play with a good attitude. Keep a good, strong, positive attitude. A winning attitude. Your rating will go up. And that's nothing to do with chess. You don't have to study chess for your rating to go up. Isn't that crazy? True story. It's an absolutely true story, folks. Brings the king over. I feel like this is the move. Do I have time? I do. If I come here, I could sack for a draw. Rook over. Rook up. Bing. I could bring this rook here and look at this weakness. He pushes. I could take with a pretty good breakthrough. I like this move, but I also like bringing the rook. I like bringing the rook first. Let's bring the rook. Bring the Amigos rook. Because this queen back, it's a move, guys. It's a real move. Now I threaten mate and a pawn. So we're going to get this, and then we're going to get this, and it's going to be game over. Not to mention all kinds of stuff with this square. Yeah. We'll find out, folks. You know, Stockfish would think I'm fine in this position, but Stockfish has never met me. Just throwing it out there, guys. Okay, shoves. Now, I can push. No. Just win the pawn. There's no shots here, though. Oh, I could play this move. I could play this move. I could play this move, and if he plays rook over, I could play queen takes. Rook over, queen takes. Queen takes, and I could threaten this down the line. queen. Threatening queen. I probably should just take the pawn. Is that a blunder? It might be, man. Brings the queen he wants to trade, right? Just take the 7th, I guess. Because I'm up a pawn. That's probably not an altogether bad move. Can I keep the queen? Hit the pawn, maybe? I feel like the queen's out of play if I do that. I could beat Stockfish. First time what? You lost to a clinker. Okay. Improve. Right. Here. Okay. This takes check. Move, 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 move. He can attack this. I can attack this. I don't like it yet. I don't like it yet. So I'm gonna go here. Hey! G-Scape, how can I join the tournament? Can you play me? Play me tomorrow. I'm sorry, guys. I've been stuck on the board. How do you get better at chess? What are some of the tips? I can't tell you right now while I'm trying not to lose my chess game. But I will tell you this. Come tomorrow, I'll answer those questions. And I play viewers tomorrow, is when I play viewers. You guys like that? You should... Wow. Here maybe? Probably should have took. But this doesn't do anything because he's not attacking a pawn anymore. He can double. Right? Yeah, it doesn't do anything. He's just helping me. He's just helping me. It might be a draw because all rook endgames are draws. I'm going to shut chat off now. Hey, Ashes, thank you for all the hype. And CNAC too, thank you guys, man. I don't know if I'm playing the end game right, guys. We have one more coffee. We're gonna drink it. It's only second round though. Should I wait till like after the third round or during the third round to make my coffee? This is something he should have just took. I think he's in trouble now. You can keep checking me. I'll just come up. Yeah, great. Takes. You got no threat. I'll move forward. I'll get this. It's all about position, guys. And if he goes after the pawn, I get this with check. Takes. I don't want to let him go. So we're going to go here. Right? Right? He goes there. Now I can come here, takes here, king over, takes, and then I can start pushing. Wait, king up, takes. Takes, threatens mate, king over. Push. He can't, he'll get a passer, but I'll get a passer. I think we do this. No, I think we develop. I think we make a passer, guys. This might be a mistake! I took this path because of the king position, guys. By the way, that's the second time malarkey has been happening. Takes check. Okay, he gets that. Now, if I take here, he has to move. I take. No, I can't take. I gotta push. I did it. Oh my God, guys, I was losing on time. I dropped the pawn. Oh, I lose. I made a draw, guys. Oh my God! He made a draw, guys. I think he got a draw. I should have took. I could have took the pawn. Well, at least I'm not losing. He knows the draw, guys. Dude, I blew that, man. I blew that a few times. I was low on time. Dude, you played a really good game, Pooja sister. Let me bring chat back. That was a good game. That was a good game, guys. You can't deny it. Oh, good luck on the tournament today altogether. Bad move. How was last night? Highlights. Last night was great. Dude, what? The tournament's already... Last round is already over? 18 players, folks. Good tournament. The tournament is growing again. How old are you? Tepelik, how old are you? Lois, how you doing? C6, we play D4. It's not really a secret. No. E4, we play D3. It's not really a secret how old I am, but it is kind of funny to me that people just walk in and ask that. I'm not like so old where I get offended by it, but it's starting to be funny. Yeah, the clock played a part. Yeah, man. Just didn't quite play the proper moves, man. Ego Voyager is rated 16. Oh my god! What happened, Ego Voyager? I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. This is not a trap line. It's not a trap line. Welcome to the stream, Tepelik. I'm probably older than you. How old do you think I am? What rating are you, Sleepy? Yeah, sleep. Hey, if you're watching on Twitch, we have the best community in the world. I've been streaming for 5 years. Monday through Thursday, 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, Texas time. Today's tournament day. Tomorrow, I play viewers. We have a Monday show, a Tuesday show. We do it every week, guys. It's very awesome. Definitely want to be part of it. We are all inclusive, okay? As long as you're nice to people and you help people get better at chess and do better at life, you're welcome here. If you're not, well, then you're probably welcome somewhere else. Right? I think this is a good move. It seems weird, but I think it's a good move. Ooh, I'll take that for $1. If I do this, he has a push. I have to be careful for stuff. This knight is doing work. I'm up a piece, guys. I'm up a full piece on move 3. He made a mistake. Stevie, how you been, man? Now he's dropping pawns because he's down a piece. He's like, yeah, it's not worth analyzing, so I'm just going to move pieces and maybe I'll get lucky and get my piece back. It's not going to work like that, brother. I love you. Now, this is a square. Or this hits the bishop. I think this hit the bishop is better. And then we got this. And we're on the pawn. I mean, it's too much, guys. It's too much. We're going to trade down. The bishop comes back. Forcing trades, but is it worth it? Knight takes, bishop comes. I wish I could make this work. I also wish I could develop my pieces. So I should bring a bishop, but where does it go? I think this might be the move. He may play f5 because he's desperate. The knight is good, but it's going to have to leave. This doesn't... Oh, well, this does threaten a pawn. No, it doesn't. So just come like this. F5, I'd still have that move. I'm going to do this. I'm bringing pieces, guys. I'm bringing pieces to the fire. Right? The queen is still unprotected, guys. The queen is still unprotected. Plays F5. The knight comes. It's a move. Can I do something like pin it to the queen and trade down? He could play queen takes. And win another pawn. This could be a move. It attacks the knight. This is probably the move. If I come here... Oh, I also have an attack on this rook. So I could play like knight takes, pawn takes, rook takes, queen takes, bishop takes. But then his bishop is here, guys. This might be better. I have time. Calm down. See what I'm saying? Knight takes, rook takes, queen takes. No, he'll be on my rook. I mean, I could do this. But then the queen could like start looking at light squares, and when I take, he could come back. But I would still have the bishop though, so I'm okay, I think. Plus my queen is on light squares here, and if he pushes, I just take. And if he moves a knight, I just take. He could play knight e4. He could. No, I take. Let's do it. Let's have some fun, guys. Let's have some fun. Is my guess. Are you 78 is my guess. Yes, I'm 78. You're right. Hey, Cena, are you in the tournament? Curious. I don't see you. I saw you earlier, but I don't see you now. But I would have think if you dropped out, I would have seen you drop out. Oh, I see you now. I see you now at 523. Yeah. You're playing right now. Yeah. Guys, this guy's using his brain. This is a pretty crazy position, guys. I didn't have to make it this crazy, but I've given up a pawn already, or two. I'm up a piece. But I feel like I might be getting something here. And some position too. Knight e4, I just play pawn takes pawn. Oh no, knight e4. I could play this. It's a crazy move. And if knight takes, I don't have to check. Oh, bitch. Knight e4, right? We already looked at this. I think I come here. I'm attacking his queen. The pawn is now well protected. The knight is very strong, though, so we might want to get rid of it. You know what I'm saying? There are ideas to get rid of the knight, guys. Because the knight's pretty strong. If I can get rid of the knight and play f4, I'm up a piece and I have a protected pass pawn. That's pretty strong. Pretty strong. It's a draw. Just face it. How old are you? Yeah. Have a nice day. Milk, thank you, dude. How you doing, man? Dude, I'm doing great, man. Lois is here. Boy, I got a lot of friends to add on Facebook, guys. Okay, we're finally caught up on time. Do we make coffee now? Is this third round? It's just the third round. This is round 3 of 5, folks. Eco Voyager. Ooh, Klagan lost a game. Who beat Klagan? Or did he join late? Who beat Klagan? Is there any talk in chat? Who beat Klagan? He's rated 2,000 points, guys. Who beat him? You're not in the tournament. Your husband is. You're next to him watching. Oh, okay. All right. The queen comes. Okay, that's probably not an altogether bad move. I could hit the queen and the knight. Does it do anything? Is it bad? Is it dumb? Is it made of rum? It makes him think. Gregory Ferguson. I love the name Gregory Ferguson because it reminds me of Gregory Filmanuk, who was a great part of the stream. Plays queen back, right? And then I could play rook takes, pawn takes, bishop takes, hitting the rook and the check. And the squares. Do we attack, guys? Do we attack? I'm up a full piece. I'm up a full piece. Rook takes, pawn takes. Bishop takes. If he takes here, we get this with check. We have... Rook takes, pawn takes, bishop takes. Oh, because I'm on this. He can't even take this yet. So he moves it, and I think he has one move. Then I can play check. He has to come here. I can play check. He has to take. I can come here on the queen. So I think it works. Is this dumb, guys? Is it dumb? I might be doing dumb stuff right now, guys. I really might. I just looked at tactics, guys. I just looked at tactics. I just took a piece, man. We may want to consider taking a piece back. Right? Now, bishop takes is better. Because I'm on the rook and I'm on the check. And I saw a lot of malarkey that could be scenarii. Now, what do I have? I have a bishop and a knight for the rook. Pawns are equal. No, I'm up a pawn. Wow. Wow. So, yeah, I could do this malarkey stuff I speak of. I could do the malarkey. I mean, I'm taking a pawn with check. I also then could bring the bishop back, hitting the queen, because it's protected. So this, and that's assuming my tactics don't work. And believe me, there are more pieces where these, that was probably a blue move. That was a blue move, you know, like a brilliant sacrifice, guys. A sacrificial lamster. Last night was great, dude. We had a good musical night at my open mic. Played some good music, had some fun. It's probably just slightly a little bit too much. We're going to find out, though. Like, even if he tries to win this pawn, this bishop is going to then hit the rook. You know what I'm saying? So I could, like, leave it. But I think there's too much here. I think this knight, this with the queen, and then maybe possibly an extra bishop attack is too much. You say, but Charlie, you're not using all your pieces. You know what? I'm attacking with 1, 2, 3, and possibly 4 pieces. He's defending with like maybe 2. This really is not. I would not say this rook is defending. Wow. check. And just win the queen. He made it easier for me to win the queen. Check. King takes. No, he can't. Check. Oh, he has king here. Then I could play check again. Another move here is queen, hitting both rooks. See, the thing is, this is a free 5 points. I think free 5 points is best, guys. Really. Really. Free 5 points and keep my bishop. Right? Free 5 points, keep my bishop. If he plays like queen in, I could just play queen, bishop back to the square. He has to go away. Then I can bring my other rook. My bishop is fine. My knight's fine. He's on my rook! Did you guys see that? Now I have to win his queen. Now I have to win his queen. I didn't see this, guys. I didn't see it. See what happens. I'm going to queen check here, force him over here, and then I'm going to win his queen this way, I think. Oh, wait, I have queen check here. This is a way to defend the rook and keep attacking, but I think queen check. You could come here, bishop check. Whatever he does, I take with check, and then I bring the other rook. I could bring the rook now. I could bring the rook now. I could play... See, the thing is, the knight isn't doing anything anymore. Queen check if king back, bishop check forces interposition. And if the other way, I just take the queen. There's not going to be enough to mate me. He could get a bishop check. I could play f3. He could rook check. I just come up, check. I could play here. There's nothing left. He attacked the square, but it's already defended. I have a queen. I have a queen. Okay, now. Do we check and force him here? And then check, and he can come here? And he might get away, guys. Again, I will have this check. And that might win better. This check. Just win the queen, huh, guys? Just win the queen. Oh, yeah, he doesn't get the bishop. I thought he got the bishop, guys. I thought he got the bishop. I thought he got the bishop. He doesn't get the bishop. I thought he was going to be able to play rook takes. Queen takes rook, bishop takes, rook takes check. Which is still... it's still winning. Yeah. Good game, dude. Eco Voyager lost a piece at the beginning of the game, guys. He lost a piece at the beginning of the game. Clagan! Guys, I gotta make coffee. I gotta make coffee. E4, we play E5. Clagan is from Sweden. Who beat Clagan? Or did he get in? Did he get in late, guys? Marzovic, how you doing, brother? Welcome to the stream. Dude. Okay. This is kind of forced. It's not forced. It's the move, though. Okay, he attacks. It's either queen or queen. It might be this. Can I do this? And then if he takes, I can split? He has this. I don't think it works. Guys, I don't remember these moves just even this far, man. It's either here or here. I'm going to play this one. I don't know if it's the best move, guys, but I played it. I think you can do either move. Blitz on chess.com is about 1,500. Okay, sleepaway camp. That's pretty good. 1,500 is good. My blitz is lower than that. Dude, my blitz is horrible. I need blitz. I need blitz rating points, guys. How do you get those? How does one acquire blitz rating points? Yeah, that's a move. And then I think I come here. Defending. See, because he left the attack of this pawn. So then I can come to f7. If I come to f7 first, he just takes the pawn. Then I think d5, he has knight g5. And I can check, but then the knight can come back. Okay, he comes back, but now we play this, right? Oh, no, we just defend the pawn. Just defend the pawn, guys. It's easy. It's easy. Guys, I want to make my coffee so bad. Attacking. Gray. I think we do c6 or something, or here. This is a move, too. I don't remember the lines, guys. It's probably nice. It's either bishop e7 or knight c6, or this could be a move. f3 takes knight c6, bishop e7, run for the hills. It could be run to the hills, guys. Run for your life. It could be very Iron Maiden. I don't remember these lines. I'm literally relearning them. And you know how you relearn lines? You play a nice long game, you suffer because you didn't know the line, and then you go back and you learn it. That's like the best way to learn chess, guys. And it's slow, and life sucks. Not sure what to do. He's threatening to win my pawn. Do I defend it? This is very often a move. It doesn't work. Takes. Oh yeah, I guess it works. Pushing brings the knight and hits my queen's the problem. And my queen doesn't have any good squares. So knight c6. No, then he gets my pawn. He doesn't. I'm going here. Oh my god, it's so hard. Defend the fussing pawn and stop moaning. JB, I freaking love you, man. I'm shutting chat off though because I cannot get ideas. Dude, he's developing, guys. Now I think I can come here. But I think I don't want to. I think I don't need to. I could literally play this move. Does it work? Okay, guys, I gotta get coffee. I'm going nuts here. Do we wait? Let me see if we have a board on the coffee cam. We have a board on the one coffee cam. Do you guys have a board too? Hey, there's a board for you guys on the coffee cam. 1 second. What did he do, guys? Did he freaking did he solve my Latvian? Oh, he weakened. Why would anyone do that? Why would anyone do that? Okay. Should I castle long? Or should I just push? Whatever I do, I should... Yeah, this is the move. I have to be careful. Push. If he takes. Push. Takes. Yeah, wow. So how was I not losing something there? So I think I have to do this. Because he's threatening to win a piece, guys. He didn't have that before. Bishop takes, and push. He did have that before. So I was losing a piece. That's insane. He moved so fast, too. So we have to do something. So I guess here. And I'm gonna have to take. I could be in trouble here, guys. I could be in some, not a lot of trouble. I could be in some trouble here. I need to go back and learn the lines. I was studying Latvian lines earlier today, but in a totally different line. Totally different line. I was studying the trash lines that I don't play for Blitz. If I was studying main lines, I might have had this on the board earlier, guys, before I started streaming. You guys studied chess today, right, before the stream? Oh my god, guys, you must improve your Latvian. What do you do? What is happening? What's he doing? Why doesn't he even want to play chess, guys? Don't get it. I don't get it, folks. He's giving me everything I always wanted in a beer and less. I feel like he might have had a couple of wins there. Maybe, guys, maybe he sees deeper than me. Maybe if he would have played to win like the pawn I thought he was going to win or the piece he was going to win, maybe he would have gotten in trouble. I don't know. Do this first. And then bring every piece to the Amigo party. And then play chess. If you know a better plan, I highly recommend it. Takes. Oh, I didn't see that. I'm already losing. I'm already losing! The pressure is real. We might be able to get lucky here, guys. We really might. Takes. Okay. Now I can take here. You could bring a bishop. That could suck. I could come. Rook takes. No. I could threaten checkmate. I could play. I think we just have to take, guys. I think we just have to take. We got to stop thinking. And we just have to start taking. We have to stop thinking and start taking. He takes with check. I think we take here. There's one little problem with this whole scenario, guys. Yeah, and I'm going to tell you guys what it is in a minute. Right? I think we come here or here. Queen back? I have knight takes. Queen takes. I have bishop takes. Queen takes check. The check is what gets you guys. Feel like I'm really really not doing well right now, guys. Problem 2 is going to be back rank, but it could be back rank for both of us. I think he's okay. I have a slight development. I have a slight lead in development, guys. The knight comes here. That's probably a good move. I had to move, guys. I had no choice. I know you didn't want to see me move. I really didn't want to move, guys. I didn't want to move! Brings the... Okay. Is there a shot here? Horrible move. Horrible move! But I might get a pawn. Yeah. I definitely get a pawn. Right. Right. It's probably a good move. Brings the king. Oh my God, do you realize what you've done? I think I'm okay here, right? Because of this? Because I'm up a king. Right? Can I draw this? Okay. I think he inches forward. Yeah, he inches forward and does the same position. Right? So I lose. I mean, I to be honest, I didn't really honestly know that was a draw or anything. I just knew that I thought like it could be. I resign. I don't see it. Good game, dude. That was a fun game, man. I feel like he had a lot of better opportunities, man. I think when we look at that game, we're gonna see I was losing a few times. You could trap your queen with bishop h5 after you play queen g6. I don't know that that's true, Zlex. Hey, I got Zlatan Sinak, which is, are you? Don't you and someone else have the same name or something? Like Zlatan was someone else, right? And Sinak is someone else, but you guys are the same person? Are those people that are married? I lost. Yeah, I was cooked, man. E4. I'm going to play C5. Guys, Zlatan is rated 500 points. He's like 1,000 something points lower rated than me. Takes. He plays d4. I think if you move your king backwards instead of forwards, those pawns. Maybe so. Okay. D6. A brave soul in a great community. It's just very scary, guys. You got lucky, you could trap your queen. Didn't I have a knight on f6 though? The threat was always there, but could he do it? I don't know that he could have done that, could he? Could he sacrifice your pawn first? We'll see. Tomorrow we will look. Tomorrow I will learn from that endgame, guys. It probably might. Well, you know what? I was down a pawn. The coffee break was ill-advised. Buckwild, no! It made you run. I know, but I needed coffee, guys. It's tournament day. It's tournament day. It doesn't matter, guys. I'm going to lose to the 533 anyway. It happens every time. Yeah, see, this person has beat me before, and they're rated 1,000 points lower than me. Say, how did it happen? I don't remember. I just know it was brutal. You got lucky he could trap. Yeah, Zalex, did he have bishop h5 though? Because if he plays bishop f6, I could play queen f6. Right? Yeah. Now we go here. I'm asking. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It was something, it was a tactic you have to be very aware of. Right? Yeah. And it was, the threat was there. And I know that threat very well because I play that position a lot. A lot of times queen's on f7. Sometimes it'll be queen g6, bishop e2, and then you play queen f7 in order to play g6 on bishop h5. He comes here, attacking my pawn. How do you defend it? I didn't even see it. So I'm just losing right now? I think I might resign, guys. Defending. Got to get rid of that knight. Take out all his knights with your bishops. Okay. E5 now? Guys, I got outplayed. I got out-crushed. E5 now? Pawn takes that? No. No, I'm losing. See, I'm playing a 500 player. That means I should be able to just play and they should drop pieces, right? But I'm waiting for the dropped piece, guys, but it's not coming yet. We'll see. We'll see. I blundered, though. I 1,000,000% blundered. I just don't understand here. Yeah, E6. Why E6? Oh, yeah, E6 for knight 7, but knight B5. I feel like I've been in this position before. Just castles, man. Just castles. I'm losing, guys. I'm losing. I do need to lock in, man. I need to lock in, like, forget about it. The problem is... E5? Nope. Nope. The problem is... Okay, he brings a rook. And now I can come here. No, I could play E5. Takes. What? I could play takes. I could play D5 now. Pawn takes. Knight take, queen takes. Okay. Knight. That really seems scary, though. I can't play knight here. Well, I could because I could block. Then I could maybe get to a better square from here. This knight has to go somewhere, guys. If it comes back here, it blocks the bishop. The bishop isn't really doing anything anyway, and it has some squares. Takes, bishop takes, doesn't do anything. He's on my knight. I have to move it. It's either knight, or knight, and then I have other moves. I think this is better. I think that's the better move, guys. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm being crushed by a 500. Just watch what a 500 does to a 1600. It's happened before. It's happened before. I don't have the answers, guys. I can look at my moves. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I'm going to be crushed. I got to dial in as Billy Mullen says, Billy, I'm going to lock in. Lock in. Stop worrying about his rating. Come up with the best moves in the position. I could hit the queen. He comes back to this, and I have nothing good. The queen, it's kind of a good square, but I don't know what to do. I'm too outplayed, guys. Knight. I am a little cramped. This does uncramp a little bit, but it puts my knight on an unprotected square. Actually, knight c5, he probably has like stockfish move. Dead serious. Dead serious. I think he does. So it's just too slow. Everything's too slow. F5. There's nothing there. F6 doesn't work. I'm being crushed. It doesn't matter what I do. We're gonna try anyway. This knight is helping. Let's take it. Let's take it. It's a move. Yeah. No, it is. I think it is. I think it came up before. Is this a bad move? I feel like this is not a bad move because it stops F5 because I will take this pawn. You know what I'm saying? But you can't beat perfect, guys. You can't beat perfect. He does it anyway. Knight takes. Hit the queen. Oh, bishop takes bishop. Wait. Knight takes, bishop takes, queen takes? He's going to move the queen. He's just going to move the queen. He's going to play queen freaking G3 and he's going to see it because he's 1500. I'm telling you guys, it's freaking a joke. It's a too much joke, guys. So this one, I'm going to win the pawn. I'm going to win the pawn. He's just going to mate me, guys. When people don't understand when you've been... Oh, what do you do? And, you know, he's lost a lot of games like this before, too. He really has. He's lost a lot of games like this before. When I start realizing how he plays like a grandmaster for the first 20 moves, he's rated 500, then he blunders. I could show you the game, guys. I could show you the game. I'm not even kidding. I am not even kidding, guys. Exactly this. He keeps offering me a draw. You don't get a draw, man. You can't have a draw when you play like a grandmaster for the first 20 moves and you're rated 500. And then you mouse slip. You don't get a draw. You don't get a draw. You have to play somewhat like your rating. You have to play somewhat. And guys, he didn't even slip because he did exactly this before. He was playing like a grandmaster. Like if we took the game and analyzed the moves up to like move 25, He's like Grandmaster. And then he just gave me a piece and he lost. I'm telling you, man. Rated 500 now. Rated 500, mind you. You play like a master, but are 500. It's not right. It's like, I think some people don't think, I think I just take a piece, right? Because I'm on the knight. It's too much, guys. I literally could sack the queen for the rook. And then take this, and then take this. It's too much. I might have to, actually. That's cheating. Guys, the guy's cheating, man. He's cheating. He's doing what Kramnik did. Right? He's cheating. You can't play on someone else's account. That's a bannable offense, man. You can't play on someone else's account. That's cheating. You could get banned for that, man. You get banned for that. Yeah, it's called cheating, man. You didn't know that? You gotta read the rules. You can't play on someone else's account. See what I'm saying, though? Everything I said there was completely true. Everything I said there was completely true. That's not a 500 player. That wasn't even a 1200 player. You can't use someone else's account. It's against the terms of service on chess.com. Yeah. Well, you know what? He just said to me in chat, I'm playing on my wife's account. Like, he just said that. He just said that. So, based on that... Oh man, Nuplender messed me up. You play like a master, but are 500. It's not right. I am playing on my wife's account. Dude, why do people do this, man? Why is it fun? Yeah. Let me see. Well, we all we can do when we have dishonorable people screwing with the integrity of our tournament is ban them one at a time. They can make new accounts, but we'll just ban them one at a time. Yeah. Yeah, oh wow. No, you definitely cannot do that, guys. Don't play on someone else's account. If you play on chess.com, lead chess, and are higher rated, it's against the terms of service. Yeah. Yeah, you can't, even if you're lower rated, it doesn't matter if Vladimir Kramnik says, Charlie, you can play on my account. And he's rated 3,000 or 2,800, whatever. And my blitz is like 1,400. It's against the terms of service for anybody to play on someone else's account. It's a bannable offense. And it's cheating. You're stealing rating points from people. You're stealing. It's not fair. Like an honest person in the tournament who wasn't cheating, Gregory Ferguson said, I lost ELO to that guy. That's not fair. You're 500. He lost a lot of points to you, man. But he didn't get to play a 500. He played someone who's cheating. Basically, I don't know who gets considered cheating. The account you're using is the cheater because they are getting outside assistance. The outside assistance is you. Yeah. They probably can't get you because you're not playing. Why do you not have an account and you're a superiorly higher rated player? So like you're saying your wife is rated 500 and you play like a master. But yeah, I really need to make an account. This is not normal talk. It doesn't make sense. You're a paid account, but still considered a newcomer. Can't challenge you. Challenges are off. There's no challenges right now, Walter. Yeah. Yeah, it affects other players' ratings unfairly, and it will build up your wife's account higher than it should be. It's like rating. It's everything wrong with it. It's cheating on so many different levels. It screws the rating system up. It's dishonest because you're saying I'm playing a 500, but I'm really playing a 2200. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's too much. It's too much. So go back and read the rules. God, I have to read the rules. My God. This is crazy. Okay, let's get back to real chess, guys. Let me see. This is not good. Black does have 1, 2, 3 pawns for the rook. Well, he could defend, but the problem is it's going to be really hard to defend it. Oh yeah, defend this way. He could try and build some type of fortress. Like if you push this pawn, and we have to take, and you defend that way, you might be able to put the king somewhere and move the bishop back and forth. Is that possible? You just started watching? No, that's cool, Walter. Welcome. Welcome. Today is our tournament day. Walter, play the tournament next week. We had a good group this weekend. Purposely hiding your ranking to get the leg up. Yeah, right. No, it's, like I said, it's... Okay, everyone needs to learn the rules of chess.com. Even if you don't know the rules, when you play like Stockfish, what you just did, you know enough about chess that it's funny to play on your wife's account, and you're much stronger. And you know that when you play a 1200 and you beat him, he loses a lot of points. Ha 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 ha. It's cheating. It's stealing. It's dishonest. It's not right. That's what that is. That's exactly what that is. So, yeah, man. I got a feeling you're connected to that other account that did all that shady stuff, too. And so I think we're going to part ways, CNAC. I wish you the best, my friend. I wish you the best, but you're going away. You find another stream. And, act right there. Ooh, he's gone. Okay, now, I don't know if he's on, now, you know what you can do? You could make another account with a different name and I'll never know. And then if you come and you don't cheat and you don't do weird stuff, then we'll never know. And that will be a second chance. Yeah, that's the move. That's the move. Yeah. I don't have time for it, man. It's just not worth it. Look at this. Now he's gonna get checked though. It's a problem. If this bishop was here and these pawns were gone, you probably still lose. Maybe not though. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, exclaim, exactly. He's in trouble. Yeah, Walter. Every week, man, we do a tournament, and then tomorrow I play viewers. So I would love to play you tomorrow, Walter. This was round 5? That was round 5? How was that round 5, guys? It went... I don't understand how fast that went, Gregory. I thought that was round 4. All right, guys. Let us check out... First place, Clagan. Congratulations, Clagan. Welcome to our stream. I love you, brother. I hope you didn't lose to the rating manipulator, sandbagger, cheater person earlier. And then I got second place with 3.5, and Pooja's sister with 3.5, rated 1200. Poojar, you played good, man. We played a good game. I felt lucky to beat you. Yeah, I won that game though, didn't I? What time I will try? I'm Okay, not expert. None of us are, Walter. All levels are welcome on our stream. The tournament starts every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's Texas time. Stream starts at 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's Texas time. Is when our stream starts. And we do fun stuff on Mondays. I did Queen Traps a little while ago. We would do new opening Mondays. Learn a new opening and then play it. I did Minute Monday last Monday and played only 1 minute chess, which I kind of feel like doing right now. And then, what did we do? Yesterday's Tactics Tuesday, and oh my God, the game from Tactics Tuesday yesterday was insane. I played a 15-10 game. It got very tactical, folks. I played a Latvian Gambit, and ooh, it was rough. And then today is Wednesday. It's tournament day. And then Thursday, I reviewed the games from the tournament, which we'll look at later. And I will, play viewers. 3-minute chess. Did you come 5th? Congratulations, man. You did. You got 5th place, man. You got 5th place. Oh, wait, Pujar. Did I draw Pujar? Yeah. I didn't even beat Pujar. Pujar was the draw. I keep saying Pujar. It's Puja. Puja sister. Puja sister. That was a draw. That was my draw. I tried my best, but I couldn't even make it on the podium. Dude, you can try as hard as you want. If you're not good enough, better players are going to beat you, and that's okay. What you can do is then learn from the games, and you could be like this guy I love so much. His name is I Come Back Better. Study your games from the tournament. Look and see what you can do better. And then next week, be a better chess player than you were this week. That's all you can do. You can try as hard as you want. You're not going to beat Mike Tyson. No, this time I'm going to really try. It doesn't matter. Do you understand what I'm saying? Some people are just better than you. It's okay. You're better than some people. Yeah. You almost encouraged me. I tried. Yeah. Yeah, tried your best, but couldn't even make it on the podium. What's your rating, man? Yeah, 1,400. Dude, that's actually... I mean, Pooja's sister made it to the podium. But it's not easy to get to the podium. A 1,600 didn't quite get there. A bunch of 1,200s. A 1959, he only played one game, though. Yeah, man. Dude, good tournament, guys. Good tournament. Thank you guys for being here. I love you guys. I'm going to get some food. I got to get ready for my Elden Ring stream at 8 p.m., guys. Guys, we used to do Elden Ring and games after dark here on Facebook only. But now we moved that to YouTube and Twitch. So if you're on Facebook, definitely follow me on YouTube and Twitch, because we do After Darks there all the time. And I think a lot of people don't know. So you follow me on all platforms, guys. All platforms. That's how to get the most content. And there's like a lot of shorts and different stuff on YouTube. Sometimes certain things I post on YouTube that I don't post anywhere else, right? And then this is what you guys really want. For live alerts every time, guys. You click this and join this. And it doesn't matter where I go live. I could go live on... this is my example, guys. But I went live on TikTok playing guitar about 6 months ago. Just wild one night. I'm like, I'm going to go live on TikTok. I went live on TikTok. I was playing guitar. And I posted in the live alert channel. That's the last link I sent. Join. And then if you're like, I don't watch TikTok, that's fine. But if you wanted to watch it, you could. So the live alert channel is a way to get an alert when I go live every time across all platforms. Okay. But the gaming is YouTube and Twitch. Chess is all 3 platforms: Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch. What a great tournament, guys. Thank you so much. I freaking love you guys. Sorry for the 500 rated person that was dishonest and was beating people up. Don't do that again, guys. It's not funny. All we can do is fix it every time it happens. All right? And then we come and we be honest. And we be fair. Freaking love you guys. Be honest, be fair. Catch you guys later. Goodbye.